Hello everyone. Welcome to online class from St. Joseph's Academy, Mariam Nagar, Ghaziabad. So, today's topic is for class 5. Subject is general knowledge and the topic is reptiles, insects and strange animals. So, we will do the revision of these 3 chapters, which we have already conducted. For the half-yearly examination, let us start the revision. The first topic is reptiles. So, which animals are called reptiles? Reptiles are cold-blooded animals. They are vertebrates. They have backbone and they breathe in air with lungs. Reptiles' skin is covered with scales or plates. You have seen, look, here is the image of the crocodile. They have scales. Snake is also having some plates are there. And reptiles lay eggs. They are not giving birth to the babies, they lay eggs. They are cold-blooded and vertebrated animals. Here is the image of the reptile. You have to recognize and give the name. The largest reptile are the dash of Southeast Asia, which can grow up to 19 feet in length. See the length of this crocodile. Up to 19 feet they can grow. And that this is called the largest reptile due to the length and mostly found in Southeast Asia. The answer is crocodiles. The next reptile is turtle. Lives in water. Many of them have webbed toes or flippers, like legs to help them swim well. They have webbed toes. And maybe their legs are having flippers and they live in the water. And this reptile is turtle. Turtles live in water. Now, next reptile is python. Snake, python. The longest snake in the world is the reticulated pythons at more than 30 feet length. Their length, how long are the pythons? Up to the length of the 30 feet. So the pythons are longest snake in the world. So which is the longest snake? That is python. And snakes belongs to reptiles. Here are some insects. You have to find out according to the clues, their names. Insects have 3 pairs of legs and wings also. But their wings are not so well developed as of the birds. Number 1, this common insect carries and spread disease germs. They are sitting on dirty places, and the bacteria sting to their legs and the wings. And they carry the disease germs from one place to another place. That is houseflies. Number 2, the female species suck blood as it is required by them to lay eggs. Male is not sucking the blood. Female is sucking the blood. Why they need this blood? To lay eggs. The example is mosquitoes. In mosquitoes, the female is sucking the blood because they need it to lay eggs. Now, next insect is cricket. The male species chirp. Chirp is the sound produced by the crickets. By rubbing their wings together, they rub their wings together and produce a sound. chirping sound. That is called insect cricket. Next is monarch butterfly. This migratory insect is capable of long distance flight. Migratory. Migratory means they migrate, or we can say they visit from one place to another place and come back to the same place according to the change of the season, according to the change of the weather. Sometimes the weather is very hot. They are going from the hot place to the cold place. And when the weather becomes normal to survive, they come back. They migrate to long distance. The example is monarch butterfly. Now here is the match the following. Match the names of the insects with their records. They are the record beating insects. Left side, number 1, Goleth beetle. Number 2, stick insect. Number 3, Australian dragonfly. Number 4, Myri wasp. And the right side, the first one that is indicated by A, the heaviest insect of 102 grams. Number B, the fastest flyer, 58 kilometers per hour. The speed is given 58 kilometers per hour. Fastest flyer insect. C, the longest insect, 40 centimeters. Up to the length 40 centimeters. D, the smallest insect, that their size is 0.4 millimeter. So number 1, Goleth beetle is the heaviest insect. Number 2, stick insect is the longest insect. Stick insect is the longest insect. Number 3, Australian dragonfly is the fastest flyer. Australian dragonfly is the fastest flyer. Next is Myri wasp is the smallest insect. They are the smallest insect. Here is the left column and the right column of match the following, and answers are already shared with you. Now, the next is strange animals. Strange animals. Why we call them strange animals? Because they are not so familiar. In their body, in their fur, in their feather, something is not common, which is not common. That is strange to us. And these animals are called strange animals. Now here, we will do the fill in the blanks of the strange animals. Number 1, they are semi-aquatic playful. Semi-aquatic means those who live in water. Semi-aquatic means they live in the water also and the land also. Playful. Appear sliding on snow. Muddy banks. Fish-eating mammals. Having very soft, insulated under fur. Their under fur is insulated because they are living on the snowy areas, so that their body will become warm, will remain warm. They are insulated under fur. The strange animal is the otter. They are semi-aquatic and they are very playful, and they appear sliding on the snow, muddy banks, and they are eating fish. They are mammals, means they give birth to young ones, having very soft, insulated underfur. Number 2, it is a wild goat found in the mountains. It has long, curved horns and lives in herds. They are not living alone, separate. They live in herds. They live in groups. Example, this strange goat is ibex. They are found in mountain areas and they are wild. They are not domesticated, they are wild. And their horns are long and curved also. Next one, this large marine mammal spends all its life swimming and grazing at the bottom of a sea. That is manatee, also known as sea cow. They are marine, live in water, salty water, and mammal, give birth to young one, spend all its life swimming and grazing at the bottom of the sea. They are grazing at the bottom of the sea. In the water also, there are hydrophytes. There are the plants which live in water, which survive in water. They are eating them. They are grazing them. That's why they are called the sea cows, because the cows are grazing. And this manatee live in the seawater and grazing the sea plants. Next one. It is large seabird, which has the largest wingspan among all birds. Seabird and largest wingspan. Among all the birds, the wings are very large, heavy. The name is albatross. This strange bird is albatross. This is seabird. They are found near the seas. Their wingspan is very heavy and big. Next one, this nocturnal mammal has distinctive black mask like face marking. This nocturnal means those who are active at night, and their mammal has distinctive black mask-like face marking. Their face having the mask-like, and their face is black. The name of this strange animal is raccoon. They are nocturnal. They are very active at night. It is a seabird easily identified by its large puffin, and it loves to eat fish. They are eating fish, fish eater, and they have very big puffins, colorful puffins. The name of this bird is puffin. They are found near the sea. It is a seabird. Next, it is a mammal found in North and South America. Its body is covered with bony plates. The body is covered with bony plates. Plates are there of hard material, bone-shaped material. And they are found in the North and South America. The name of this is armadillo. They are the mammal, very common in North and South America, and their body is covered with bony plates. Now, next is true or false. Here are some sentences. We have to tell that they are true or false. The Komodo dragon is the biggest lizard. Number 2, Goliath beetle is the longest insect. Number 3, yellow jacket and insect are social wasps, means they live together in the groups. They are called social. They are not living separate. They live in the groups. Mosquitoes are migratory insects. Mosquitoes are migrating from one place to another to protect them from unfavorable weather. A guppy is easily identified by zebra-like marking on its legs. One strange animal is having zebra-like marking on its leg of black and white rectangle shape. Lines are there. So is it a guppy? Raccoon has large puffin. So here are the sentences, and now we will see the answers of this true and false. The answers of this true and false are, number 1 is true. Number 2 is false. The correct answer is stick insect. Number 3, true. Number 4, false. And the correct answer is monarch butterfly is the migratory insect. 5, true. And number 6 is false. The puffin bird is having puffin. So these are the answers of true and false. Now here are the names of some reptiles. Python, turtles, terrapins, crocodiles, Komodo dragon, and lizards. These are some of the reptiles. There are many reptiles, many species of reptiles are there. But these are some examples of the reptiles. Now, after reptiles, here are some insects names. Grasshopper, cricket, cockroach, mosquitoes, housefly, yellow jacket, praying mantis. These are the insects. Here are strange animals which are not so familiar. Okapi, platypus, vicuna, puffin, raccoon, otter, ibex, and albatross. These are the strange animals, means they have something special in their body which is not common to the other common animals. So that's why they are called the strange animals. Now, with this, the revision is over of 3 chapters. Now is the time of assignment. So in an assignment, students, all of you have to learn chapter 6, 7, and 8 of your book. Learn it, revise, and learn more from the net, surf the net, and find out some other strange animals also. So thank you. Have a nice day.